Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jasmine, aka Dash of Jazz, and I talk all about cooking, traveling, and living well. Today we're in my kitchen, and it should come as no surprise that I am bringing you yet another cocktail recipe. But before we get into that, I just feel the need to say that Hennessy Pure White has a hold on my people. And by my people, I mean bougie black traveling millennials. I myself fall into that category. It's kind of how you say, I've been to the Caribbean without saying I've been to the Caribbean. I myself have been to the Caribbean several times, but between you and me, I'm not a Henny girl. I don't get geeked off the prospect of a bottle of pure white Hennessy. So I've never picked it up myself, but a dear friend recently brought me back a bottle from his travels, and I felt the need to create something for the culture. And it's simple. It's Hennessy Pure White with my brown sugar pineapple simple syrup for cocktails, a little bit of lime over ice, and that's it. You're getting all of the flavor coming through. Listen, you're getting this recipe and you're getting the bragging rights of one, telling people that you have traveled, which I already know you like to do because you clicked on this video. Two, having the knowledge of a Hennessy Pure White cocktail. There really aren't many of these out on the internet right now, let me tell you. I did the research. And three, you were able to pay even more money at these local liquor stores or liquor plugs, the people that travel and bring back several bottles to sell, because they tax, and it's not that serious. Anyway, let's get into the details. So this cocktail starts with a big chunk of ice, or about half a glass of ice cubes in a rocks glass. We are then going to take the coveted Hennessy Pure White. This stuff is sometimes the subject of arguments. I can tell you from personal experience, if you tell somebody it's not all that, they might get in your face about it. Anyway, I'm going to take 2 ounces of this. So I'm using the large side of the jigger. Plus a little splash more. Then we will take 3/4 of an ounce of my brown sugar pineapple simple syrup. It is really the best. I already have a video for the recipe of this. If you have not checked it out already, I'll add a little pop-up for it because you need it in your life. It's very easy, and you can use it in a variety of cocktails. I have several recipes that use it. Add that in. Then we're going to add the juice of half a lime. So I cut my lime into wedges because that's just easiest to squeeze, in my unscientific opinion. Squeeze all that lime in there and just give it a stir. I love the bar spoon for this step, but you can use a good old tablespoon that you would eat your cereal with. And that's that. This is a really low maintenance, non-fussy cocktail. As you can see, it took me all of about 1 minute to make. I do want to add just a little extra flair, so I'm going to stick a pineapple frond leaf. I don't know exactly what it's called, but a little something gorgeous. This is the Hennessy Pure White cocktail. Tell all of your little friends about it. It is light, a little bit of sweet, has a taste of the chocolates with the pineapple, ginger, and lime to remind you of the vacation you went on when you picked this up in the first place. And the Hennessy comes through. So for you cognac lovers, don't worry about it. It's not watered down. It's not too sweet. It's just right. Listen, if you enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up on the video to let me know. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns in the comments section. And you already know, hit the subscribe button because I bring fresh recipes and content like this to you every single week. Thanks for watching.